To Samuel Trading Academy. Just wanted to do a quick video really because I've got a trade alert coming up for you. So just have a look at the charts quickly. But the bottom line is it's cold outside and natural gas is very low. So I'm already in natural gas. I'm already in profit. I went in actually last week just simply because of the huge price drop recently and the level we are at here. So if you look on the weekly chart, you see we are at a significant level there. Technically, we are also on the weekly chart in the RSI. We've got the hook down here, down at the bottom. Okay. So with those two reasons and the fact it's cold outside, it started to sort of go up a little bit. So just remember, please do not follow my trades. Do not copy my trades. These are only ideas and I'm just showing you exactly what I'm doing. But basically, I did buy natural gas down at 2.5, is it? Current trades, open trades. Natural gas I bought at 2.522. So I bought at 2.522. So I bought there. Okay, so that's natural gas. Okay, now might as well just quickly update you on what else is going on in the trading world at the moment. So now when it comes to gold, yesterday you had a discussion with Chair Powell. Now, we were sort of expecting him to talk about interest rates and a pivot. However, that didn't really happen. He said that we're going to have to continue to increase interest rates in the future in the US. This is so. Let's just have a look at Bloomberg. Just see what the latest is today. Okay, so. Okay, so it's not headline news or anything. On Bloomberg, so property prices might be coming down. Okay. There we go. Jobs report shows why cooling prices to take time. It may well be the case that we have to do more. So he's talking about interest rates there. Okay, so interest rates need to keep rising to quash inflation, and this time the bond market listened. Okay, so we'll see what happens there. Obviously, I am in Palladium. I'm in profit in Palladium in one of my trades now. And I will, this is a big one, so I will look at getting out around the 1700 margin. However, it's due to possibly go up to 1800. So we'll see. We'll manage this trade as we go along. Also Tesla. So I'm in Tesla. Coinbase. Waiting on Coinbase now. and gold and silver. So you can see, I mean, gold is, I'm expecting gold to sort of stay around here for a little bit longer before it actually does start to go back up again, but you never know. If the news yesterday had been, we actually do have some more news today, and this afternoon in the UK. Let's have a quick look. So Wednesday, so we have, 2:15, FOMC, a member Williams speaks. So, member William. Okay, so Federal Reserve Bank of New York, President John Williams. Okay, so more hawkish than expected is good for the currency. So we want dovish for gold because it would be negative for the currency. Okay, so they'll be discussing interest rates. So this could be the catalyst this afternoon. So we'll keep an eye on that. Have a look at 2:15. So make a point of 2:15 p.m. UK time, that is. So it's 9:15 in Wall Street in the morning. Okay, and then that's the clear news for today. So we'll see what happens. See what happens with gold. See what it does, if it does anything. And then once it's settled down a bit, then we can switch our gold trading bots on again and continue making profits on gold that way. I am actually in gold as well on my Fibonacci retracement levels. So here's another strategy as well. So I've basically use when you're looking at Fibonacci retracement levels, I mean, really, I'm sort of looking for the price to be lower before we go in on the 4-hour chart. So I've actually chosen Fibonacci retracement levels on the daily chart because I was expecting a pullback when we were about here, you see. So, you know, that's not right. So you can see this sort of pullback here is a very shallow pullback, and if we put the Fibonacci down here, okay, and you know the level hasn't really worked out here on this particular level, but it's come close to this 38.2% level. Okay, so what I've actually done is I've extended that right up. Right up to the peak to get my possible entry points. So here I put an order here, a very small order here. I put a slightly larger order here, another one here, and quite a large one here at this particular area here. Now I always go a little bit above the Fibonacci levels, just simply because to catch a trade. So yeah, I'm in a trade here. I'm expecting it to possibly drop to here a bit further and get me into the next trade, and maybe here as well. So we'll see on that one. But as we know, gold is driven by the dollar. Strength of the dollar means weak gold, and weak dollar means strong gold. So, you know, it's dependent really on the news this afternoon and what is discussed in terms of interest rates and inflation and job data and all this sort of stuff which is relevant to the US economy, which will affect the gold that I am trading because I am trading gold against the US dollar. Now, if you're trading gold against another currency, like against a pound or against the euro, then obviously the euro or the pound will affect the price of the gold because the strength of that particular currency will make the difference. So I believe in India, for example, they have had all-time highs because they are trading against Indian currency. Okay, so let's wait and see. The trade alert this morning is natural gas. So remember, do not copy my trades. Do not just go straight in on natural gas. Do your own research. Make sure you know what you're doing. Your management, risk management is covered, and you are safe in the markets because that's the most important thing. You see, so we might see, if you go on the 15-minute chart, well, the hourly chart actually, you can see that there's going to be a potential pullback here anyway. So, and just remember, protect your capital. Now, my stop loss is just below this low test bar here on the 4-hour chart. So if the price does come down, I will potentially lose that trade, whereas I'm already in that profit. So once it gets a bit higher, I will be locking in one of my trades at a time at break even, so that I can sort of protect my capital. Okay, so half of trading is all about protecting your capital, and well, it's all about protecting capital, but it's all about half of it is about managing the trades that you're in. So obviously picking the trades at the right time, the correct trades at the right time, and then managing the trade whilst you're in it. It's a massive deal. So yeah, we're waiting to see on that one. Anyway, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.